the Jeff Richard show, man. I'm a big fan. The show Extraordinary. And I don't know how we pull this stuff off, especially the Tracy Morgan. Listen,
because
you could extract Beethoven's and Mozart and Bach. You could extract their concepts and their ideas, but you could have no interest in individuals themselves.
We're hearing. So we evolved to hear sound logarithmically. Logarithmically is basically when we interpret sound in increments. Logarithmically in terms of we don't really interpret sound from a linear perspective. We interpret sound non-linearly. And because we interpret sound non-linearly, but the higher frequency in that context is if that particular force is applied to a much higher tension. So hence the reason we find when a string on the instrument, like let's say common denominator they share. What Salvador Dali did was he juxtaposed the subconscious with the dream state. This is what you call surrealism or surrealistic. Surrealistic when there's a disparity between